My tree is ready. Yay, we're ready for some harvesting. That one's not ready. There's a lot, I got a lot of little ones on my tree. Oops. But most of these that are red like this are ready. When they're dark purple, they're not quite ready. Look at them all. Isn't that weird how they grow on the side of the tree? This one's not ready. This one. All right, so we're harvesting these. I know this one, if you can see, it's dark purple. When you scratch it, it's green. It means it's not ready, not quite ripe. But this one, that one's yellow or orange. I know that one's ready. So we can take that one. Orange. Okay, so you saw us get the cacao pods off the tree. Now we got to crack them and ferment them. So to crack,
some people like to just hit with a hammer.
I know. Just get all the seeds out. Hoping that Scott will mulch all these for us. Can you do one more?
Yeah, why not? Let's see what the different color looks like.
Yeah. So some of these that are dark like this are a little overripe, and sometimes they're still good, but sometimes you get them where they are already starting to sprout. And I found one. I'll show you as soon as I get all the seeds out of it. Oh, look right there. See that one?
So does that mean the other ones are okay, or just that one seed's
Just
bad?
that one seed is what we can't use. But see that it's ready to plant. We can put that in some soil. And I found some more. All of these too. See, they got the little things on them. Those are ready to plant new cacao trees.
Let's see what happens.
And then this one we picked and it wasn't ripe enough. They won't come out of the pod. So when they're green, we scratch them, when they're green like that, they won't work.
So scratch that again. Show us the scratch in the green, how green it is.
See how dark green it is? That's not good. I feel like this one was good. And it's yellow. Yellow when you scratch them. Yellow. So these all be good. But then, what we've already done yesterday, this was our loot from yesterday. So we're gonna pour all these seeds in here to ferment for hopefully 5 days.
The ones that have been in there are already pinker, aren't they?
Pink, yep. Got these others in there. All right, so we picked them, we got them out of the seed, and we put them in here to ferment. And they've been in here for one batch 5 days, one batch 6. And if you could smell it and the heat, you would be able to know they are done fermenting. Look at that, how they're changing color. So now that we've picked, got them out and fermented, now we're gonna dry. So, Joel's got my nice tables. Oh man, it's so strong it almost makes me choke. We're gonna take all of these nibs. Here. We're gonna lay them in the sun. Let them dry. Just don't rain, come on.
We picked a dry day.
Yep. Hopefully it's gonna be dry all day. We'll see. I'll put some over here too. And get these going. So this will take probably, last ones were I think were 5 or 6 days.
Yep, we got a nice breeze, we had
Yep.
nice sun. We're gonna probably have a little more rain and humidity this time.
Yeah.
So maybe as many
Maybe
as
a
12, they say, but
here we go. Stage 4.
beans are on the table.
Yep.
Some. So now we've got them all fully laid out here in the sunshine, and let them dry.
Our beans have been drying for, sheesh, in 8 or 9 days. So they are ready to roast. So we're gonna take them in the house, get them all ready to roast. And it's a lot. That will be our next step. Our beans are dry. So we're gonna roast them. The ovens are on 350. And we're going to roast 350 for 10 minutes. And stir. And stir them. All right, they're popping. Smell good. Okay, we are winnowing the cacao beans in the nibs. Joel pours them in there. They go through the champion juicer, down the pipe, and into the bowl. And the waste goes in the 5-gallon bucket. That's been suctioned by the top back. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, now we're ready for milk chocolate, and it's basically equal parts of everything. We have 500 grams of cocoa nibs, 500 grams of cocoa butter, 500 grams of sugar, and 500 grams of powdered whole milk. And that's it. Now we're gonna get busy. We gotta put these through the grinder and get the liqueur, and then add it to the melanger.
Grinder's ready to go. It's already been working for us for the dark.
Yep.
And the noise you hear in the background is the melanger already going for the dark chocolate.
All right. Now we're making the chocolate liqueur to put into the melanger. We'll go in the champion juicer to crush the nibs into the liqueur. And we add cocoa butter as well in this stage. We'll run that waste through again, 1 or 2 times.
Okay, we're getting the chocolate added in.
This is the milk chocolate. This milk chocolate.
Chocolate liqueur that we made.
Yep. I'm gonna get it in this one. We're gonna get it going.
And when we get that going, once it's nice and warm, we'll add the milk powder and the sugar, right?
Milk powder and sugar. And it's going to go till noon tomorrow. We're going to do 18 hours in the blender. It should be nice and smooth. Our chocolate is out of the melanger, and we've let it cool in the bowl. It is now 94.6. Should we start? Should we dump it in?
I think let's go for
And
it.
here's the seed, which is cocoa butter silk.
Yep.
We gotta stir this in. Can you come do it, Joel?
Okay.
You stir. And we need to get that stirred in so we can pour it in here. These are our molds.
And this is 2% of the total volume.
2% of the total volume, which pouring's going good. This is our milk chocolate. So, these have been in the fridge. We poured them, put them in the fridge. As they're ready to come out, ready to put in wrappers.
I always think when they come out of those brown molds that they look purple for a minute.
I know they do. So they look good.
They look great. They look perfectly tempered, right?
Yeah, they look really good. This is all milk chocolate that we made earlier. And then if you look right over here, we're getting ready to temper. This is the dark chocolate that has the coffee in it. So that will be our next one to put in molds. Look how good these look. So nice. We got all these to do. Thanks everyone for watching our video on how to make chocolate from the tree all the way to the bar. Our video is less than 15 minutes long, but obviously watching the video you see some of the steps take weeks, hours, and we finally finished 4 different bars. And when you see the video, we've changed a lot, we've refined a lot, we've learned a lot, and turned out pretty good.
We're getting better at it. That's kind of what it's fun learning process. This video is maybe a little early in our chocolate careers, but we wanted to get it out there because a lot of people ask us how we make it. It's been a lot of fun, and that's all we're doing is giving it away to the neighbors.
We're not selling it, we're giving it away to friends and family, so we're enjoying it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we're going to enjoy some chocolate.
Oh, me too. All right.
Aloha.
Take care, guys. Aloha. Have a good day.
Dark chocolate.
Good stuff. Who made this?